Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We are going over part 2 of lesson 2 for lesson 5 module 2. Alright, let's look at this problem. So one more time, we're going to convert this into units. These are going to be the units. So we have 31 20 thirds. Okay, so now that is going to help us out to break this down into a multiplication table, a multiplication area model, where the 31 is composed into 30 plus 1. Okay, so now we're going to do that on the left side of the area model. We're going to place that in the plus sign, and here's the 1. And it says 23 thirds, right? So we just write that number here. Okay, so let's do the 23. No, well, it can be that way, but let's write it this way: 30 times 23. And again, we break this down like we've been doing it in class. This is separated into 3 times 10 times 23. Now, why do we do that? Because it's easier to associate numbers that are easier to multiply. So this becomes 10 times 3 times 23. So now you can associate these three numbers, and they're easier to multiply. So now watch what happens. 3 times 3 equals 9. And 3 times 2 equals 6, that's 69. Times 10, that's 690. So that is the partial product of this number. Now we create 1 times 23. Now this should be easier, so that the total is what? 23. So now when we add these partial products, the answer should be, carry 1 over, 713. Okay, my friends, that makes it a lot easier when you use the area model, when you break down, decompose the numbers like we've been doing it for a while now. And let's see if our answers match, if we do the regular multiplication. So now let's write 23 times 31. So again, we're going to look at to see if they match. So we're going to multiply the ones. 1 times 3 equals 3, and 1 times 2 equals 2. So this first answer matches the answer on the area model. So the first partial answer matches. Let's see if this one matches as well. So we're going to multiply that 3 tenths. Remember that when you write 3 tenths, you write it like in that 3 0. So we're going to save the place for the tenths, and then we multiply. 3 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. So now we're going to add like we did it over here. And wait, I think there's a mistake here. So 3 times 3 equals 9, my friends. This is 9. Be wise and be careful, because see how simple of what a simple error that is, and I need to make sure that I check my multiplication facts. So that happens in math a lot. Well, not a lot, but you know, if you're not careful, one simple error can throw off everything. Now here's the reason why that was good, because now I can check my partial product is the same as the other partial product. And I knew it was incorrect because I looked up here and said, well, this is not a 6, it's a 9, because 3 times 3 equals 9. Now I can add this to get the actual product. So that's 11, you carry 1 over, the answer is 713. So your answer of your algorithm and the answer of your area model must match, and that way you know it is correct. My friends, please keep watching these videos, because you can become a really good mathematician. I promise you. And here's the thing. After you know you can handle math easy, easier in an easier way. You feel so good about yourself. You feel like you're flying. You feel like a superhero. You feel like these two friends that we have right here, my friends. Look, check this out. This is how you feel when math it becomes easier for you. Isn't that correct, boys? Oh yeah, Mr. Magno. What about you, Superman? Yes, you're right. Math is a superpower. Okay, boys and girls, you heard the Dark Knight and the Men of Steel. Signing out from Gravity 2, your coach, Magnifico.